StudyRoom and I am Ankita. Today I will talk about present tense.
Present tense. We use present tense to denote an action which is happening now. For example, I am going to school. In this sentence, the verb am going shows that the work is done now. She drinks tea. In this sentence, the verb drinks shows that she usually drinks tea in the present time. Tina wakes up early every day. In this sentence, the verb wakes shows that getting up early in the morning every day is her habit. Tom loves to read books. In this sentence, the verb loves shows that Tom likes to read books in the present time. Present tense has the following four forms: simple present or present indefinite tense. For example, I go. Present progressive or present continuous tense. For example, I am going. Present perfect tense. For example, I have gone. Present perfect progressive or present perfect continuous tense. For example, I have been going. In the next videos, we will discuss about the parts of present tense.
So, for today, this much only. We will meet again with my new video. Till then, stay tuned with me by subscribing my channel, liking my videos, sharing with your friends and pressing the notification bell.